number 39, they used eSIM cards many times, so I know how it works. IN number 39, they had two issues connecting in Taiwan, using a different company and number 39's product, cause unknown, but IN number 39, they been able to use it without any problems in other countries. It and number 39's easiest to load the eSIM card in Japan and turn it off until you arrive at your destination, but some types of eSIM cards start counting the days of use from the day they and number 39 reset up. IN number 39, they experienced this once, so please read the instructions carefully. Quite robust reception, but everything became inherently UK-based, so can be a tad inconvenient sometimes when doing some searches on Google. Great deal. No hassle. Enjoy the coverage without a problem. No hiccup or lagging on data transmit. Got an error message, but the prompt replies from them settles the issues, and it was great after. Akasha. Quick delivery and worked well. Did not have any issues with setup. Was in a fairly remote area, but the connection here was better. Sokto Prukomu Chea Nature Yamake Sa Yang Ako Isumnita. Stable and easy connect. I was traveling to Batam, Indonesia, and was worried about poor internet coverage due to its proximity to Singapore. However, using this eSIM proved incredibly convenient. What is an eSIM? An eSIM, short for embedded SIM, is a digital SIM card built into a device, eliminating the need for a physical SIM card slot. It functions just like a traditional SIM card, allowing your device to connect to the mobile network, but without having to replace the card. You can activate or switch carriers simply through settings. IN number 39, am using a Pixel 7 Pro. IN number 39, they tried many different eSIMs before, and they were all very slow. This time, I switched to IN number 39, eSIM, and the signal is great and the speed is good in both Yogyakarta and Surabaya. Overall, IN number 39, am very satisfied with it. Installation is very simple. Besides being cheaper than a traditional SIM card, it also eliminates the need to change cards. Once you try it, you and number 39 LL become a regular customer, and you and number 39 LL continue to choose eSIM for travel to any country. The process was not too difficult, and I was able to connect to the internet cheaply, so I and number 39 am very satisfied. Thank you very much. IN number 39, LL use your service again the next time I have the opportunity to visit Indonesia. I used it on a trip to Bali. The connection was quick and the speed was great. The Wi-Fi in the hotel room was also good enough, so I don't and number 39 think it would be a problem even with a small data capacity.